Hey, how are you guys? I hope this video finds you well. I haven't been making any videos lately because the market has been emotional. Last year, 2023, 2024 right now. Happy New Year to everyone that is listening to this video. The market has just been picking up. So on this video, we're going to answer some questions. The questions are, can you really make money in the stock market and become profitable? In my humble opinion, yes and no. Yes, by knowing what you're doing, knowing your platform, learning the market, having a checklist and discipline, having a proper setup and mindset, and no by not knowing what you're doing, not knowing what you're doing, not knowing about the platform that you're using, not having a checklist and discipline, trading the stock market, not properly doing research, not learning fundamental and technical and some technical analysis. So that's my opinion. We're looking at some watch lists right here. LAES. We did mention it when it was about $1.30. Now it's $2.80. We have CRCW, which is an OTC market, up 42% today. I think it can really go up some more from this price range right here. We are holding some position, but not that much. And the second question that we have is, how much can you start? Well, in my opinion, depending on where you at financially, you can start 100, 300, 500, 1,000, or any amount that you have. Of course, we all wish that we have big capital. I really wish that I do have big capital, but in my situation, I only I have a small capital. Yeah, but I really wish I do have a big capital, depending on where you at. Imagine if you have like hedge fund investment banks that have those money and can really move the market. We're just, small fish in a big ocean, basically. Yeah, the watch list that we have here is LAES and CRCW. Looking at the daily, it does have some room to go up. Currently trading at around 0025, 0024, 0025 currently. CRCW sector is financial service and IT, crypto, and blockchain. Risk and reward ratio, I would say 1 to 10x long and beyond. Implied volatility, moderate, set your preferred levels. I would say at this level, I would say it's low risk because it's way down the 52-week low. 50 historical 52-week high is 30 cents, as you could see right here on the daily chart. Yeah, CRCW is my main watch list, one of the top, and obviously some of these right here. But keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research. Capital preservation is always the key on this channel. There's always gonna be movers, plenty of opportunity. Stay disciplined and have your checklist. If you don't have any checklist, check out on the description below the checklist that we have. If you don't have any checklist, that might help. I would say type of trade or setup on this ticker right here on the OTC. I would say swing trade. It's not gonna be a day trade, a quick scalp, or a short setup because it's an OTC. I would say these type of stocks are swing. Market right now is, market condition is bullish, so we're going to have that. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just sharing my opinion right here. You gotta have your trade entry price thesis, risk and reward ratio. The price action is actually moving. The sector performance is great because they're on crypto. Yeah, but that's just my opinion. I mean, you can set your own levels on this specific ticker right here, but looking at the daily, it does have some room to go up. It does break the 20 at 27 earlier, so we're gonna see some fireworks on this. So that's the update for me, guys. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.